check. Oh, जोरदार गरबा गंगा टीम, चलो जल्दी, everybody, yeah, शाबाश, everybody, hands पीछे, रणवीर सिंह, yeah, everybody.
राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो,
all the other teachers please join us. आइए जल्दी, everybody please.
अरे राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो,
आइए क्या बात है, आइए प्लीज. सर्कल बड़ा बनाइए, पीछे
देखो, ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो,
everybody.
पीछे ही बहुत साइड है. Come on, join all the teachers.
Narmada and Tapti team, please make a line on the ground. All the students are requested from the team Narmada and Tapti to please जल्दी से आप लोग ground पे आ जाएं. And thank you Ganga. आहा क्या डांस था. Thank you everybody. हाथ ऊपर करके. Thank you so much. Thank you. And also we are having the closing ceremony and grand finale coming up. Lot of dance performance coming up. जल्दी से आप लोग अपनी अपनी चेयर ले लें. फटाफट जल्दी. Once again, I would repeat, I request all the captains. Okay, one important announcement for all the students, all the teachers. I mean, this is a info for everybody that we'll be having a short VC, that is the video coming on GTPL channel in evening 6 and 8:30. So I would request everybody to watch the TV on GTPL. Our DPS event is going to get broadcasted evening 6:30 and 8:30. So you can watch, and also जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार, अपनी स्कूल ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रही है, इवेंट ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रहे हैं. And then all are requested that we are having a DPS Gandhinagar page on Facebook, so you can get all the updates regarding our all 5-day events, that is the annual Sports Fiesta 2016. So we have shared some of the information and moments of these events on Facebook page for DPS Gandhinagar. So I would request everybody to watch, go and log in and share and give likes toward this.
Implement them now. Okay, so here we are at the last leg of our annual Sports Fiesta 2016. It commenced on 19th December and gained momentum right from the word go. These 5 days saw the frenzy and the hysteria building up, reaching a crescendo, and now the culmination. Though the winners of various events in sports were being honored simultaneously, we yet have to announce the results of just concluded football match and inter-house competitions. Now, for the benefit of the audience, I would quickly run you through some vital information about these competitions. All the students from class 3 onwards are divided into 4 houses, that is Mahi, Narmada, Sabarmati, and Tapti. To develop a healthy competitive spirit and a sense of belonging among students, inter-house competitions under various categories are spanned over a year. The scores of each house are chronicled, calculated, and then ranked at the end of the session. The laborious efforts of the winners are acknowledged, appreciated, and recognition is bestowed upon them. Each victory here leaves a message, clear and loud. Raise the bar, champ. And each loss leaves a subtle message, strive harder, do not sham. Each year, I'm glad to say, new heights are being scaled and new categories are introduced. Well, this year we have introduced trophies for 3 new categories, both for boys and girls. that is best athlete in under 13, under 15, and under 19 category. In co-curricular activities, the categories are for best literary skills, quizzing abilities, performing arts, art and craft, and then, of course, a trophy for best overall performance in co-curricular activities. Under sports, the categories are for cricket, lawn tennis, taekwondo, basketball, and football, and a trophy for best overall performance in sports. And last, and the most coveted trophy is for overall best house in both CCA and sports. So leaving results under wraps, I request Shashank to take over, who will be declaring the results.
So now, as we discussed that CC activities, the categories were literary skills, quizzing abilities, performing arts, arts and craft, and then of course we'll be having the overall trophy for CCA activities. So they will be coming forward and they will be felicitating all the players and all the winners throughout the year. They have performed very well and they have, please a huge round of applause, everybody. Thank you. We need to make this closing ceremony more energetic and a moment which would be remembered throughout the life. First of all, I would be announcing the list of officials, and this is for the football officials, and they will be given certificates. So first of all, the first name I would like to take, Parmar Hitesh Kumar, to please come forward. He is the referee. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Parmar Hitesh Kumar. जितने भी इवेंट्स हुए हैं सबके रेफरीज आपके सामने आएंगे. लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द ऑफिशियल्स फॉर ऑल द गेम्स. सेकेंड, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट राकेश यादव फ्रॉम फुटबॉल. They all are to be appreciated. They have done a very hard work throughout 5 days and before the event got started. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. These are the list of officials from all the games. Congratulations. Next, I would like to call Sandeep Narwal from Kabaddi. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Sandeep Narwal for Kabaddi. They were the officials for the Kabaddi game. I would also request Sandeep Kumar, the officials from Kabaddi. They are being facilitated by... Okay, next I would like to call Pratik Kumar from volleyball. The official Pratik Kumar. Many congratulations. After this, I would request Deepak Gupta from athletics. Many congratulations. Deepak Gupta from athletics. Next, Shashi Kumar Singh from athletics. Shashi Kumar Singh. Next, I would like to call Amit Tahawar from athletics. Amit Tahawar. Next, I would like to call upon Sumit Yadav from athletics. Next, I would like to call Sant Aslam to please come forward. Sant Aslam. He is also from athletics. Followed by Kantaria Onesh to please come forward. I would request everybody for a huge round of applause for all the officials. They have done a great job. Many congratulations to all the officials from all the games. The students of class 6th to 10th standard had participated group wise and put up 36 paintings in the size of 4 into 5 feet, which were a great treat to the eyes. The paintings were displayed and judged for perfection, color combinations, slogans, creativity, and overall presentations and given positions. And now, the results are Group 1. They are getting the first position for gold medal. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for Munang Bhatt, Dev Harwani, Rushi Parsania, Himanshu Dayalani. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye inke liye everybody. First position, and Group 1 being awarded by gold. These are the art and craft department. They are being felicitated. They've took the part very enthusiastically, very energetic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to announce the second position, that is Group 2 for silver medal, and silver medal goes to Kajal Mittal, Priya Nahata, Kushali Chauhan, Drishti Nahata. Huge round of applause everybody for Group 2 silver medals. As you can see, this is Group 2 for the second position, and the awards and medals have been given to Kajal Mittal, Priya Nahata, Kushali Chauhan, Drishti Nahata. Congratulations to all the girls for coming up onto the second position for silver medal. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, for the third position for the bronze medals, the medal goes to Utkarsh Chumbar and Alicia Tambolia. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye everybody for Group 3, third position, and they've been awarded by bronze medals. Many congratulations to all the groups for participating so enthusiastically in the Department of Art and Craft. And also a huge round of applause for the staff of Art and Craft Department. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for managing such a good activity out there throughout the year. Next category of awards are being distributed next for the best athlete under 13 age group for boys class 6 and 7. Best athlete first goes to Vimal Kumar from Tapti House, and he has scored the first position in long jump, 400 meter and 4 into 100 meter relay race, all 3 gold medals, and the point comes to total of 30 points. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Vimal Kumar from the class 7E representing Tapti House. Huge round of applause, everybody. Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Next award to be given for the best athlete in the category of girls under 13 age group class 6 and 7. And this award goes to Avni Jain, representing Sabarmati House. And she has got 1 gold medal, first position in 200 meter hurdle race. And second, she has got silver medal, second position, 4 into 100 meter relay race, and the total point comes to 18 points. Many congratulations to Avni Jain representing Sabarmati House. These awards are being distributed for the best athlete and the total points. Next award to be given, ladies and gentlemen, for under 15 age group boys, class 8 and 9, the best athlete award goes to Konark Solanki, representing Mahi House. And this guy has got gold medal, first position in 100 meter race, gold medal, first position in long jump, and silver medal, second position in 4 into 100 meter relay race. And total point comes to 28 points. Many congratulations to Konark Solanki, class 8B. We are distributing under 15 age group, the category of girls, class 8 and 9. The best athlete award goes to Moksha Kandpal from Narmada House. And she has got 3 gold medals, first position in 100 meter running race, long jump, 4 into 100 meter relay race. And also she has won silver medal, second position in mini marathon. Also, first position gold for Taekwondo, and total comes to 38 points. And also adding the 10 points for the Taekwondo, she gets the highest point, 48 points. Many congratulations to Moksha Kanpal, 9th D, representing Narmada House. Ladies and gentlemen, next under 19 age group for boys, class 10 to 12, best athlete award goes to Rahul Saha, 11th B from Mahi House. And he has won gold medal, first position in 400 meter race, bronze medal, third position for long jump, gold medal, first position 4 into 100 meter relay race, and gold medal, first position Taekwondo. The total comes to 36 points. He is representing Mahi House. Many congratulations. Well, gentlemen, next under 19 age group, category of girls, classes 10 to 12, best athlete goes to Priyam Saharawat from 10D Tapti House. She has won 3 gold medals, first position 200 meter hurdle, long jump, and 4 into 100 meter relay race, and her points comes to total of 30 points, representing Tapti House, gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye everybody, please. Many congratulations to Priyam. Ladies and gentlemen, these were the 6 individual awards for best athlete given to all the guys and girls from different standards, and they have done a fantastic job. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye everybody, please. Thank you. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, help me to announce the next category of awards, and this is specially announced for Delhi Public School Gandhinagar Annual Sports Fiesta 2016-17. Final results for the class 10, 11 and 12 age groups, under 19 boys for participating in event football. And the winner are Narmada Group. And I would request the Narmada team members to please come forward. Darshan Rudani, class 10, section B. Dhruv Thapliyal, Kunj Javia, Rudransh Tripathi, Rajveer Purohit, Siddharth Nair, Akshat Gulati, Mihir Nimani, Twitch Prajapati, Manas Mahavir, Hriday Menuar, Vivian Paul, Aditya Dave, Anirudh Rajput, Rahul Soni and Rachit Dayani. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for full of team, and they are representing Narmada House and they are winner for the event football. All through throughout the match, we were just looking at the ground, and man in green, they were playing fantastic. What a game they played, and they lead the football match by 3-0. Wow. Runner-up football team for class 10, 11 and 12 under 19 boys. First runner-up award goes to the Tapti House. And I would like to announce Anush Singh to please come forward. Harshit Sinha, Rishi Shah, Sargun Marwa, Maharishi Patel, Anish Agrawal, Shubham Narola, Prince Tiwari, Bhavesh Rohira, Jaideep Singh Rao, Bhavya Khatwani, Suresh Chaudhary, Shashwat Dikshit, Ritvik Varandani and Aman Narola. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. Huge round of applause for the football team Narmada and Tapti, ladies and gentlemen, and we are congratulating them for taking the part and representing their houses. Ladies and gentlemen, next category of awards for 2016 and 17 for inter-house co-curricular activities, that is CCA. So next category of awards would be given to those activities which were held, and these awards will be given house-wise, and I would request, as I take the name of the houses, captains and vice captain, cultural captains to come forward and receive the awards and trophies. And this award will be given house-wise for the year 16 and 17, and these are the inter-houses activities. So ladies and gentlemen, announcing the first award for literary activities, that is literary trophy, and the award goes to the Tapti House. I would request to come forward all the captains, vice captain, cultural captains, to please come forward and receive the award representing Tapti House. Come on everybody, clap for them please, everybody. Literary trophy goes to Tapti House. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next award to be presented in the category of performing arts, and that goes to, again, the Tapti House. And because the Tapti House has won a lot of awards in the different categories, so this award is the trophy is being given in the category of performing arts for the Tapti House. Again, many congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Huge round of applause. All right, next category of award to be given in the category of arts and craft, and that also goes to the Tapti House. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause as the trophy has been presented by Mr. Apurva to the Tapti House in the category of arts and craft. All right, ladies and gentlemen, congratulate the Tapti House. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations to all the captains and all the team members. Ladies and gentlemen, now the next category of award is to be presented in the category of quiz. And this award goes to the Mahi House. I would request the Mahi House to please come forward to receive the award. All the captains, vice captain, cultural captains, and the teammates. As we can see the Mahi group coming forward to receive the award in the category of quiz in the inter-house co-curricular activities year 16-17. Well, the trophy is to be presented by Mr. Apurva. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for the group Mahi for getting the trophy in the category of quiz in the inter-house co-curricular activities for the year 16 and 17. Many congratulations to the Mahi House for the most big award, which is the overall co-curricular activities trophy award. And guess who gets this award? Any guesses? All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the overall CCA trophy that's to be presented. The winner is Tapti House. And I can see the Tapti House teachers. Well, very good. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for all of you. Woo! Yes. I would like to announce the next award for the Inter-House Sports Award. And here, I will request all the respective sports teachers and the House's Sports Council students to please come forward as the name gets announced. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would request first the Inter-Sports Award for in the category of basketball goes to the Tapti House once again. Well, Tapti House is rocking. I would request all the respective sport teachers and the House Sports Council students to please come forward and receive the trophy for Inter-House Sports Competition for the year 16 and 17. Well, ladies and gentlemen, next category I would like to announce for the cricket, and the trophy goes to Narmada and Sabarmati House. They will be sharing the trophies, and I would request to please come forward all the respective sports teachers and House Sports Council students to please come forward and receive the trophy. This is for cricket category. Narmada and Sabarmati House, they will be sharing the trophy. Well, Mr. Apurva Goenka is representing the trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for both the houses. This award has been given for table tennis. Once again, many congratulations to all the sport teachers and the House of Sports Council for Students for getting this beautiful trophy for the inter-house sports competitions for the year 16 and 17. The next award to be presented for the lawn tennis inter-sports game And the award goes to none other than the Narmada House. Trophies and awards. The girls and boys in green, they are receiving the trophy and the awards in the game of lawn tennis. The next trophy in the category of football. And again, any guesses who can be the winner? The trophy goes to Narmada House. Well, Narmada, we are proud to have you in front of us as you are getting all the trophies being collected by Narmada House in the inter-house sports activities. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the time we are waiting for, this trophy is to be awarded for the overall sports trophy. Any guesses? No, I can't hear you. All right, so please help me to announce the overall sports trophy, which goes to none other than Narmada House. All the senior and junior house representative and the student council, sports student council, to please receive the trophy for the overall sports trophy to be presented them, and they become the winner for the inter-house sports games, and they have received the maximum number of trophies and awards. Many congratulations to all of them for winning this beautiful award for the year 16 and 17. Well, I would request all the teachers and all the students for a huge round of applause for the trophy winners for inter-house co-curricular activities and inter-house sports activities. And they have received the awards. Okay, अभी awards मिल चुके हैं. अब awards मिलने के बाद, how many are cheering up for the Tapti House? Can we have some voice? How many are cheering up for Narmada House? How many for Mahi? Last but not least, Sabarmati के लिए. Overall trophy for the co-curricular activities and sports for the year 2016-17 goes to the house Tapti.
Check one.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the house Tapti, the team in yellow. I would request all the teachers to please come forward. All the teachers to please come forward and cheer for your students for receiving the trophy for the co-curricular activities throughout the year and sports for the year 16 and 17. All the teachers are requested to please come forward and receive the trophy on behalf of the Tapti House. Cheer up for them. Come on, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. And many congratulations to the house Tapti. I would request. Sure. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I would request Mr. Apurva Goenka to address us. And a huge round of applause for Mr. Apurva Goenka, everybody, come on.
I'm sure that in this 5 days, we have made some incredible history in this tenure of last 13 years. I'm sure we've been able to produce some good talents and we've been able to observe some good talents all around. I'm sure that from now onwards, we take physical education more seriously. I'm sure to see the energy of all the teachers, participants in this sports fiesta coming all around, all over the years. I wrote it down some few names. This is not my speech. Generally, I don't prepare my speech in soaring heat. I just need few names to be called out. I should not name few, none, many, in fact. Okay, now Before I start with any management Thanksgiving, I should rather thank people, my asset, my people of this organization who had incredible, made day and night effort, who had made this ASF Annual Sports Fiesta possible. 2016 is none other than the sports team. Can I have a round applause for them? Now I have to call their names out. First goes, I thank you personally, Raju sir. It was incredible you heading as an HOD and designing the entire event. Okay, Dikshit sir, can you just all come here so that everybody see and recognize your hard work being done for last 5 days. Preeti madam, yes please. Nilesh sir, yes. Anand sir, Gajendra sir, and Ketan sir. Ever since we started to make this journey and we wanted to make some incredible changes apart from what we've been doing in a conventional way for last so many years, ASF have brought difference because of them. I believe a big round of applause for them first. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Okay. Thank you so much from my side personally and from my management, Bolaram Education Society, from my father who heads as a chairperson, pro-vice chairperson of this institute, from DPS Society for giving the children's platform to showcase their talents, their energy, their enthusiasm. Wonderful, it was wonderful. Thank you so much. I would start from down and go up, right? Okay, there had been consistently, I'm sure that they would be having a lot of sore throat in this 5 days of comparing the event, which I could see phenomenal, the girls and the boys and Mr. Sashank team being performing. I need a round of applause for them. I have to call their names out. Mr. Sashank, Mr. Jalna, and Mr. Dharmil. I thank you for all the support that you've given for last 5 days in the soaring heat where people are getting tanned and you're still being on the ground and being motivated and being motivating to the students, the parents, the teachers, to underprivileged students, the Saransh Foundation students, and building their motivation to perform and participate highly and committingly in this event. Thank you so much. Third goes to KS Entertainment. My dear friend Kunal, can I see you somewhere around? Okay, yeah, that's here. Please come. Now, Kunal happened to be a good friend of mine few years back, and I thought this function is going to be a well-organized function to my idea and perseverance. And this obviously we all know as a team, this was the first first kind of event that we were trying to organize. So I thought let's add little mirch and masala and entertainment and let's do something realistic. And wherein I just called him. And he just, yet I can do it, no problem. But he forgot to understand how the 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years kid would react about. He's a professional choreographer and DJ. During the journey, he started facing problem, but then a never give up attitude and never say die attitude kept him going. And I thank Kunal. And another friend of him, Mr. Jay, also kept on the floor. I think he's not around, but Jay had been around with us to keep the momentum going and also ensured that the tempo of the event, which started on day 1, 19th, should continue till 23rd. And hopefully we have been able to do that. Thanks, Kunal. Thank you. Now, I have special thanks to all the parents. Unexpectedly, We've got huge level of participation. I think, sir, we've got more than 5 to 600 parents being participated in different events. A big round of, I think because of them, the 1:30 session till 4:30 could be a pulled show, and a few feedback that out of excitement they could share with me was really making me very happy that some parent would come. I don't know if she's around or not. She was very saddening. She was very saddened yesterday that the event is going to get over, but ultimately the good times do end for a better times to come tomorrow. So I thank all the parents who had been contributing their time, because this was the working day for all of them, and a lot of parents have taken holidays, and especially, I don't know, LWP or without pay, whatever, but definitely yes, it counts, and they were highly motivated to win medals, and I'm sure we will be able to provide such another level of platforms engagement to them. Now, the bigger thanks goes to our teachers, which are... Okay. Now, रोज तो थैंक यू बोलते हैं, आपको क्या थैंक यू आज बोलना? It's something like that. But yes, after this 5 days, I am sure that you will say, just I need a sound sleep, in fact. On the floor, thank you so much, my people. I'm blessed to have you. You were more energetic than our students, in fact. Our students gave up, but you didn't give up, in fact. And still you are not giving it up. Had it been another more day for an entertainment, you were ready with me, in fact. So a big thank you. It is not easy when you don't have classes, and on the floor you have to handle the students of your section, especially when they are non-participants, to take care of the smaller, especially the primary and the pre-primary level, to ensure their safety, they ensure their meals, to ensure their participation, to ensure their safety to go back home. Lot of things. I may miss around saying few words, but a special thanks to all the teachers without whom the event of inaugural, including ceremonial, where there were a lot of entertainment, the choreography being done. Without help, I'm sure the KS Entertainment would not been able to handle this. In fact, thank you so much. Now I have to also thank my Saransh team and their kids who had participated in this ASF 2016 and 17, and we got few winners, and it also made us realize that the few games like skating and one odd event that we have done, where I could see the sign of improvement in our children's, where the mind balancing game is there. So I probably see a lot of concentration within the students of Saransh. Thanks to all the team of Saransh Foundation who had been consistently, because it's not an easy job for them to handle our gifted students. So thank to Saransh Foundation. Okay. Am I going too long? Yeah. Now I have to go thanking to all the participants. Okay, let me just thank participants in form of different areas, especially the participations of students right from Standard 1 to Standard 12th, and I congratulate all the winners, those who had put a lot of effort and have taken ASF sports seriously as I do, in fact. Thank you. And I also congratulate the Rolling Trophy champion, Tapti House. Okay. Once again, this following year, and I hope the following year you continue to soar more success and you give us some more dynamic sports. Thank you so much. Okay, I also have to thank a few of our entertainment people who had come all the way from Bombay to Ahmedabad. Some of them, the stilt walker, the jokers, the unicyclists. Can you just wave hand to all of them, please? Yes? Come on, guys, please. Okay, they have been entertaining us for last 5 days, and they have been engaging the kids, they have been engaging the parents, they have been engaging the teachers, they have been engaging me. They've added flavor to this. They've added flavor, mirch masala, and some kind of carnival feeling that we always dreamt of having these kind of event to this ASF 2016. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I hope in coming following years we do better event, and we definitely call you. Okay, am I leaving somebody behind? I thank I thank my sports students who have been excelling good results in the international areas, especially Daljit and Harshul, whom I could remember now. And I'm sure there are few state and district players also have been making a phenomenal recognition in the field of sports. Okay, I also, now is the time for a final thank, okay? Now am I leaving somebody behind now? Okay, yes, got it, sorry. I thank housekeeping for their immense support. I thank, they have worked day and night to keep the campus hygiene, to ensure that when we come back tomorrow morning, this place is as tidy as ever. I thank for their participation in ASF and winning, and I am sure it will be an emotional moment for them. I thank Transport Department for their immense support. Dharmesh ji, Veer Singh ji, I mean, lot of people, in fact, for their participation in ASF 2016 and 17 especially, and secondly, being supportive to DPS Gandhinagar students and providing them the flexibility to reach safely back home. बहुत 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 शुक्रिया आपको. Oh, now few final thanks to the management as well now, okay? I don't say thank you to me, okay? I thank, we say early intervention of our founder principal, then now director, Mrs. Rani Chaudhary. A huge round of applause, in fact, for her. Okay, one more time. Come on. We have her among one of the most experienced personalities in DPS Gandhinagar. And I personally feel, it's my personal opinion, without whom this event, without this woman, was not at all possible, in fact. I thank you, ma'am, for this. And I thank you because to bring my vision into reality, that was the most important part, and also helping me to add a few more winners, like we came up with best athlete of the year, under 9, under 14 and under 19, under 16, under 19. It was a nice made up show. It was nice. Maybe, I may have briefed down the entire sitting in my cabin. We have spent hours and hours and hours and hours discussing about the plans, and we had a very short time. And in that short time, she had made sure in the middle of the night calling me, what about this, what about this, what about this, and what about that. So I also had some good time working with her, and her way of working to penning down everybody and assigning the responsibility should be learned by all our members that we are sitting here, including the teachers. This was a big event. Because in this event, it was very necessary to create a temperament which we've created on day one, and it should continue till the last day. Had it been collapsed on day second or third, this event was a flop show, in fact. So thank you, ma'am, for this best brain applied so that things fall in place and we achieve our vision that we've been able to do. And also thanking my vice principal, Mr. Kamal, for being of greatest asset to standing beside and putting in due course of time adding lot of new ideas to the event and standing always aside that yes, we will do it, and we have done it, sir. I have to thank Manju ma'am also. She had been one of a key role player. We have a big applause for them, her in fact. Sorry. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for all your support extended towards organizing this event. Mr. Bhagat, special thanks to you. Whatever the duties, responsibility was assigned to you, had performed it, taken it very seriously, and ensured that everything falls in place, and I take it responsibility to do the event. Okay, this was not only my final thanks, this was the second final thanks. There are closely related members who had worked with us, and those members are all the sports team, and ma'am, all you standing behind, and Sharabjeet madam, and all those 5-10 people who had been working immensely day and night, staying back inside the school for 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9 till the work is done. A final and special thank for all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Apurva sir. That was a brilliant speech. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would request Principal sir to please come forward for a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my young ambassadors of sports. As sir has conveyed his heartfelt thanks to everyone, now on behalf of all of us, I express my humble thanks, first of all, to Mr. Ramesh Goenka, our Pro VC, Mrs. Manju Goenka, our trustee, DPS Gandhinagar, for their kind support and extending their best wishes and blessings to us for making this event happening. So from the core of our hearts, sir, we thank you to conceptualize this idea and making this event happening for 5 long these days. A big thank you from all of us to Mr. Apur Goenka. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We thank Mrs. Dimple Goenka, and like she was present here for 2 days here with us, she encouraged the participants. So thank you, ma'am, for the support. Now I thank one and all, everybody, those who were directly or indirectly associated with us in making this event happening. I thank the parents for their support, for the energy which was on for all 5 days. I thank the admin department, Mr. Vikash accounts, transport department, everyone, housekeeping. I think you all did a fantastic job. Thank you, everyone, and thank you for being here with us for this closing ceremony.
Thank you so much, Principal sir. A huge round of applause for everybody. Come on, everyone. I can't hear you. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, DPS.
Okay, I forgot when I was recall one special thanks, okay? And all these years, he had been standing to make every event successful, and it's none other than my friend, my dear friend Vikash Agarwal. I apologize for not taking your name, and I could be recalled by Mr. Kamal. I really, from the core of my heart, you had spent day and night, working as a team with me, in fact, and believe me, I mean, like anything that I could ask in this earth is only to you, in fact. I said, Vikash, let's do this. Okay, sir. Vikash, let's do this. Okay, sir. Vikash, let's do this. Done, sir. And today I salute you for this. And finally, we say you have done it, in fact. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I told I should not leave somebody behind, in fact. So all the admin department who had been staying back day and night for last 1 month to make this event possible. Thank you to all of them once again. I'm sorry, Vikash. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone. And now I would request everybody to please join us for the group photographs. To all the sports teachers, all the houses and directors of the DPS, to please join us for a group photo. Thank you. Everybody cheer up, cheer up! Annual Sports Fiesta 2016. Everybody, we are having the balloon. And
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले हैं
Yes.
चंदरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हैं
Annual Sports Fiesta
आजा
2016,
शामी आने के तले
Delhi Public School,
चंदरी वाले नीले
Gandhinagar.
आसमाने के तले हैं
We can see the balloons, the beautiful, colorful, and that have been now going to get released by all the sports coaches and teachers, school authorities, the management team, all the 4 houses. Here we go! Ladies and gentlemen, Annual Sports Fiesta, the grand celebration, the closing ceremony.
अखियों की नींद में
Huge round of applause, come on, students!
गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
The Annual Sports Fiesta 2016. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the grand finale! I request all the groups, all the houses to please can leave the ground so that we can begin with the grand finale. All set for this grand closing ceremony for the Annual Sports Fiesta 2016, Delhi Public School, Gandhinagar. Thank you so much. Please take down your seats. जल्दी से फटाफट अपनी chairs ले लें और अपनी chairs पे बैठ जाएं because we are going to begin with the grand closing ceremony out there. So all the students, can I hear some cheerful applause from you? Okay, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, and go! With the more energy, 3, 2, 1, go! All right.
वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला मिलके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है बस तेरी ही खातिर जाए सरफरोश है जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है शान से सभी को बताएंगे के ये सारा जहां झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा
Everybody cheer up for them! Come on! Woohoo!
हो अब्र से इरादे हो कोशिशों के वादे हो मंजिल मिलेगी चाहे राहें हो खफा देश ये सिखाता है हिम्मतें बढ़ाता है तू घर से गिर के ना तू रुकना बेवजह तेरा ये वतन कर कुछ भी जगह तू जहाँ भी है इस दिल उतारे डर को डरा के रगों में फटेगा जोश जगह अर्श की उड़ाने लगानी है इन हवाओं का रुख बदलना आज है देश ये इबादत हमारी है तू ये आज सबको बता झुके तेरे आगे सर
I want everybody to hands up. Put your hands up in the air and clap for them. Come on. Yes. Woo!
झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया
Everybody, come on. Put your hands up and clap. Yes.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 근육보다 사상이 올통벌통한 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너
Come on, everybody, cheer up them. Woohoo!
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일
Cheer up for all the teachers and all the participants. Everybody, hands up. Come on, hands up and clap. Woo!
오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일
Come on, everybody! A round of applause for all participants, the choreographer, the dancers. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on, everybody! I need that.
Everybody knows say bravo a champion 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 everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion Beanie a champion Bounty a
Yes.
champion Marshall is a
Don't go,
champion,
anybody.
Bungie is a
Don't go,
champion,
because we will be having the national anthem
Gayle is a
after this celebration
Don't
and the
forget
champion song.
Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion,
Everybody to please come down the stage,
Wendy a
please.
champion,
आइए सब लोग.
Shelly and a champion, 958 Bolt a champion 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 everybody knows say bravo a champion 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 champion
Yes,
everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion
we all are the champions.
champion
Are we?
a real champion champion we a real champion champion we a real champion don't vex if your name not call we have to leave them for bad some ball we love soccer and dancehall we love cricket and football come a dance in a my name we call champion champion every trainee and every yard man champion champion every BC and every Bajan champion champion every trainee and every yard man champion champion Beanie a champion Bounty a champion Marshall is a champion Bungie is a champion Pollard is a champion Lara is a champion Gayle is a champion don't forget Michael Jordan Obama a champion Mandela a champion Serena a champion Wendy a champion Shelly and a champion 958 Bolt a champion champion
I want everybody to put your hands up and clap for them. Come on, students. Yes, this is the last moment. ये हमको वापस नहीं मिलेगा. All the students, please.
champion 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 everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion
3, 2, 1, cheer up! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And DPS के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए for hands up करके, come on! Grand closing ceremony for the annual Sports Fiesta 2016, ladies and gentlemen. And now we are heading towards the national anthem, and I would request Mr. Apun Goenka sir to please come forward.
Students, teachers, staff. I'm sure this many days we had some phenomenal entertainment, Sports Fiesta ASF 2016, and I have been given a responsibility to declare this event closed so that we can reopen in following years. So I owe this responsibility to declare annual Sports Fiesta 2016-17 closed. And now we proceed for the national anthem.
Thank you so much, everyone. And before we go, I would like to thank all our camera people. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for the camera people, the camera team, the moments that are captured. And also I would thanks to DJ Devang and DJ Deepak on the music console and sound engineers. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for them. We love you, DJ Devang and DJ Deepak and the team. And now I would request all the students to please jaldi se jaake apni bus ko board karna hai aapko. We are getting late. So all the students are requested to board their buses. Thank you everyone. We are signing off for the annual Sports Fiesta 2016, Delhi Public School, Gandhinagar. Thank you so much.